Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you this bicuspid aortic valve case because it illustrates the asymmetric closure theme of the aortic valve. So here's the aortic valve on short axis. Long axis, you can already see that one of the leaflets appears a little bit longer than the other one. And there is systolic doming of the aortic valve. I'll slow it down to show you what I mean. So as the aortic valve opens, see this doming rather than a nice opening that you would normally see in an aortic valve. And there's not a lot of aortic regurgitation in this case, despite the fact that the person is in their 50s, has actually a very nice looking aortic valve that opens quite well and does not exhibit a lot of regurgitation. So here it is, really trace of any regurgitation. And here is the valve on short axis. Not much of a pseudo raphe, but you guys, that's seen in a lot of aortic valve cases. Just a very nice example of a bicuspid aortic valve with not a lot of regurgitation. And other thing I want to show you is that the transaortic velocities are quite normal, 160. Minimally elevated does not even make the aortic sclerosis cut off. Very nice LV and normal LVOT velocities. And finally, as I mentioned time and again, you have to look at the descending aorta and the suprasternal notch view in order to rule out coarctation. And indeed, the velocities are pretty low here, under 100. So this effectively counters any inclination of coarctation of the aorta.